Hello everyone. I got a package in the mail. I was going home from school today, and I believe this is my Allstar Bowser plushie. Uh, so yeah. I also scribbled out the address so no one would know where I live. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it now. So here's my scissors. I'm gonna open it. Hmm. So this is gonna do it. Yep, I see it. I see him. This is it. Guys, can't you believe it? It's Bowser. I'm not gonna open it. There probably is there's a hole. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna see if I can. Perfect. I'm gonna try to get this guy out of the package. I can compare him to another plushie. Hang on, I think find some holes. There, I got it open. Here he is. I'll just go set this inside the box. He feels nice. He's very decently in weight. So, yeah, I just unboxed Bowser. He's number 10. I'm right now gonna cut off the tag because I don't need it. And cut off this piece. Hope there's no other. Yeah. So, here he is. He feels very nice, too. So yeah, you guys are probably gonna see him in videos. Here's him compared to this Bowser. As you can see, this one is probably a bootleg or a prototype. I don't know. Compared to this guy, he looks straight up. He looks forward, straight, which is good. I also have another Bowser plushie coming, which is a bootleg Mario Party 5 plushie. Don't ask why. It just looks way too similar. So, comparing by size, I don't know. I don't know which one's bigger, but honestly, this one's a bit bigger. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect the bootleg to be bigger than the real deal. So, yeah, I'm a size comparison to each Koopaling. Okay, him compared to his son. As you can see, Bowser is bigger. Lemmy's obviously smaller. So here's Morton. He's a bootleg. Yeah, Morton's. Yep, right where. Yep, at least he's not too small. So yeah, the Koopalings. So, yep, I'm gonna be waiting for my other Bowser plushie. This is my first ever official Bowser. I haven't gotten I didn't get fooled. So as you can see, this is 2017. It's May 2017. This is Yeah, this should say it's made by Sine. It says, yeah, 7 plus, and it's made in the Sineco, or also known as Little Buddy. So yeah, you'll be seeing this guy in videos. As you can see, there's just so much features. I just can't believe I got the real deal. There's also beads in his feet. As you can see, yeah, he is so soft. So for comparison for the shells, the shell's a bit bigger. As you can see, these are thinner than these. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video.